silence crack. Now everything comes pouring through. The words I swallowed years ago are louder than the truth. All those quiet hands I kept, still reaching from the dark. Every piece I gave away comes back and leaves its mark. I hear them in the hall, I hear them in the hallway, I hear them in the rain, hear them in the rain. Every version of myself calling out my name. Things that echo too loud started as whispers I wouldn't allow. Every I'm fine I bury down comes screaming through me now. I closed the door, stayed still, but silence always sends the bill. And all the ghosts I tried to lose are wearing my voice now. I spent so long disappearing. I forgot what I sounded like now. Every thought comes back at once like lightning in the night. The apologies I memorized still circle through my head. Every conversation left unfinished lives beside my bed. Too many shadows, too many names, too many memories calling me the same. Things that echo too loud started as whispers I wouldn't allow. Every I'm fine I bury down comes screaming through me now. I closed the door, stayed still, but silence always sends the bill. And all the ghosts I tried to lose are wearing my voice now. If I pull the wires from the wall, will the buzzing finally stop? Or will the quiet leave me alone with everything I'm not? Maybe all this noise exists because I never let it speak. Maybe every buried truth has been waiting here for me. Things that echo too loud started as whispers I wouldn't allow. Every I'm fine I bury down comes screaming through me now. And all the rooms I read from then are opening their doors again. The ghosts I thought were chasing me were pieces of myself. Now I hear it everywhere, everywhere. In every empty room, the silence that I carried then is